Guys, Extreme number one here, and today we're going to be doing the first ever food review on this channel. So here it is, Turkish Delight. So I've never tried this thing before, but it's a bit destroyed because my brother kept eating it. So yep, let's get into it. So let's try the first ever bite. So what it is really chocolate with jelly in it. And it tastes really nice. Like, once the chocolate's down, it's just full on jelly taste. So, yeah. I just can't stop eating it. So if I have to give a rating for this one, I'm going to have to give it a 7.5. So if you're going to make it any better, what you have to do is make the chocolate a bit more thicker, so when you get through the chocolate, it isn't just full on jelly taste. But the jelly is pretty nice. Not as good as the chocolate though. So yeah guys, hope you enjoyed this video. I just wanted to upload a short one today because I haven't been uploading in a while, I think about 6 or 5 months. So it's just going to be a short video for now, and then I'll keep uploading longer videos. So hope you enjoyed this video. See ya!